So hi again, a very okay. It's an unedited one. I don't know what the time is. So hi, how you doing? How are you? What's up? Hope all well. I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions and stuff. So hope you're having some fun. At least I am. Enjoy slowing down and stuff. And as you do that, you're going to have a lot of interesting ideas and stuff. Specifically, if you've kind of disconnected from the world and you're in solace and stuff. So I recently shared about the positive of how your creativity gets inspired when walking in nature. So people think when they are in nature, it's the most boring, it's tiring. It's one of the most regular things that people do. But they don't understand that when you're working in stuff and all that, that's when the maximum mind work is happening, and that's when you're absorbing most of the information around you in the form of nature's sound, nature's beauty, nature's offerings, and of course the weather and everything. So an extension of an idea which I have right now, if some of you remember, you've been following, and somebody also sent me a compliment. So this idea on using driftwood. So the initial idea was kind of using driftwood to do a decor, a sophisticated, luxurious, or a classy decor, using candles and flowers like that. So this is some other idea now, which is again using driftwood or maybe branches which are lying around and stuff. So Delhi, unpredictable weather. Sometimes it's raining, sometimes it's warm. Today it's really hot. So the point is, you could use this time to kind of soak up some information, or maybe follow my tip and do this at leisure. It's going to be really beautiful. Try doing it, okay? So you require only 4 or 5 elements. First of all, it would be maybe a driftwood, maybe a section of wood that's fallen down, which looks nice and beautiful and elegant. You will require rope, or you can have maybe colorful strings, thick ones. And you require, let's say, if you have a 4 feet or a 5 feet, or if you have only a 3 feet driftwood or a piece of wood, you could actually use either plastic see-through jars, or you could use glass jars, and flowers and sponge. So it's doable. You can do this, but you have to use a little bit of your own creativity and stuff like that. So get a piece of the driftwood, and of course a knife. Yes, sorry, I forgot the knife. So cut the driftwood. Let's say if it's a 4 feet one, a real long one, so you cut it in the center. You have some space there, and you kind of put in some sponge there, and you could have some flowers, or maybe some cacti, or maybe whatever is easily available and grows in your area, planted in that. And what you could do is, you could actually have the ropes, the jute ropes, or you could have colorful ropes. In India, they use these ropes to kind of have clothes hanging and stuff like that. So the plastic ropes and everything, which also are used for kind of tying up boxes while transportation and stuff. So use those. So around 4 feet wood, I will share the pictures. You can put in like in circular motion, you could actually wind up the ropes, and you can actually extend it downwards, and the top of your jars, or in some way you have to kind of fix the jar top along with that. So around the diameter of the bottle, or the opening of the bottle, you got to have the ropes also tied up. So I hope you get it. I mean, it's it's not very complicated. The picture is going to be self-explanatory. So you hang the bottles, and in those bottles you can have again greenery, and you can have amazing flowers and everything. And on the top, because you already have the draping of the ropes and the string and everything, you can extend that upward also, and you can actually, with the screws or with the nails and everything, you can have a hanging display happening. So pictures are going to be self-explanatory. Explanatory. Try that. It's going to be fun. It's going to be nice. The end product is going to look good. You could have lilies, you can have sunflowers, you can have ferns, you can have cacti, you can have some beautiful cuttings like these as I went for a walk in the morning today. So something like this, you know. So these are these beautiful flowers that you have, and as you have all of these in the driftwood or on display and stuff, even if you don't do the idea, and you just do the regular one where you put a driftwood before this, and you have a, you know, like a flower here and there, and then you have candles, you know, beautiful ones. So it's going to be a very beautiful and a gorgeous kind of decor piece and stuff. So try this. I hope it works for you. I'm going to share the pictures. Enjoy it, and write in, and do give me your feedback and stuff like that. And love and luck. Enjoy yourselves. Cheers on a lovely coffee. So have fun and enjoy. And remember to be surrounded in nature and be around nature, because the weather can actually deplete you and stuff. So rather than thinking too much about it, take the next step. You know, start decorating areas and accentuating and beautifying them with nature, because nature also grounds you and stuff. And of course, remember to keep your ACs on, and to keep your fans on and stuff. And more than yourself, also if you've got pets and dogs at home and stuff, try and make them comfortable as well, because they don't speak, you know. So love and luck, and take care and have fun. Enjoy. Have a blast. Hakuna Matata. Bye bye.